Okay, this is the Aero Club barbecue get together, and it's where everybody gets together, pilot. Oh yeah, it's another beautiful, glorious day, sunny day today. Today is Monday. Meet Trev. Today's Monday, 25th of June, and the last week, or start of a new day, start of a new week, and also the end of the week for June, coming to the end of June. And so, what are you doing? What am I doing? I don't know. I'm just walking. What am I going to do this week? I don't know. It's going to be an ordinary week this week, so nothing much happening. But as always, a song or two, and might do a bit of bike riding. Well, I haven't done that for a while. So we've had a big frost this morning. About 6 o'clock this morning, it was a very big frost, and been foggy in other places. Yeah. Well, either I take the bike or my car. Well, I haven't been bike riding for a while, so I've got to go for my bike ride into town and chill out. Yeah. Heading for Paulie's corner. Yeah. Okay, I'm in town now. Just rode my bike. So I'm heading for Paulie's corner. See if I can get a Nutella milkshake. Yeah, begging for it. Now I'm back home. Been up the street. At the Paulie's corner. Paulie's corner. I had me Nutella milkshake. Yeah, good. Met me dad up there too, didn't I? Yeah, so get the bike in. Hang on. We've got him. He's in there. It's just a beautiful day today. It's just the air is a bit icy. That's okay. So I end up putting a jumper on. So because icy cold air. But it's sunny though. It's just nice and out in the sun. When it's out in the sun for a while, it's okay. It's another beautiful day. Sunday, 24th of June today. And welcome. It's a beautiful sunny day. I thought we were going to get some rain, but no. But anyway, today I'm going to a barbecue at the Aero Club at the airport, so I might film some more planes, you never know. Then I've got a performance to do this afternoon at the Vine Hotel. See you there. Okay, this is the Aero Club barbecue get together, and it's where everybody gets together. Pilots come in from all road, from everywhere, places. Even the helicopters dropped in. go. Helicopter. Yeah. People come in different directions. Pilots come in from Bright, Popunka. Some of them some of them got fogged in. They couldn't get out because the fog couldn't lift till about lunchtime. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Hey, 100 subscribers. Yeah, on my channel. How's that? Look, I was only just yesterday. Look, it was 97. Had 97 subscribers, and I knew there were new subscribers. I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel anyway. And all of a sudden today, it just hit 100. 97, 98, 100. Another 3 subscribers. Okay, I don't know their names yet, but it takes a little while for them to come up on my subscribers list, and of who subscribed. So whoever subscribed to my channel, I want to thank you and welcome to my channel, and follow my journey, because you never know what I get up to next. Yeah, I get into all sorts of things. Those new subscribers who come to my channel, I vlog every day. I upload every day from Monday to Friday, and some Saturdays I put up what you call Trev's Memory Lane. Memory Lane is all about the videos that I had on my last channel that I had, me Trev channel, which got disbanded. So I've kept a lot of those videos, and I've saved a lot of them. So I'm just bringing them back out again. Yeah, revise them. And that's on the Memory Lane channel, on the Memory Lane segment. And also every month I do a monthly review of some of the best clips during the month. So that's coming up this weekend too as well. So I think it'll be Sunday. I'll be putting up June 2018 in review. Just some of the best moments during that month. I do this every month. So you can go right back on this channel, go right back to October, I think, last year. Reviews of October, November, December, January, February, March, April. Yeah. So some of the best moments. And so look, I do what comes. I just vlog whatever comes on my daily life, really. So I could be anything like morning walks, bike riding. I could be bushwalking, travel, doing day trips to certain special places, visiting some nice places, and chilling out at the coffee shops, and singing as well. I do a lot of singing. I sing my own songs, original songs. I've written over 200 songs, and and there's many more to come yet. Yeah. Thank you, 100 subscribers. Yeah. And it's you people subscribe to my channel that supports my channel to make it grow. And it's got to get bigger and bigger. Yes. And my goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers. If I can get to 1,000 subscribers, I think I'll be the happiest man in the world. Yeah. And things will start to gradually get bigger and better. And yeah. Now, my word advice for those YouTubers, especially young children who are just starting out, and some are struggling to get more subscribers, to get more likes, to get more views. Some of them are not doing so good. Some are doing alright. So my advice, if you want to succeed in your channel, do as much vlogging as you can. Vlog every day. Upload every day. look after your fans. Very important. Look after your fans. And make your videos interesting to make people watch it and watch more of it. That's the key point. You don't want to make things boring. I'm not saying your videos are boring, but this is a bit of advice. Make it look interesting. Make people want to follow you. And be loyal. Be loyal to your fans, to your subscribers. And make it all interesting, and you will succeed. And try and pick up more subscribers as you go. And it's a hard thing to do, not easy, but it takes time and commitment to get in there. And remember, your camera will have to be your best friend every day. Yes, like my camera. I have 3 cameras actually. Well, let me say 4 cameras. One is my mobile phone camera, I know, and the other one is I have a camcorder, which is the Sony camcorder, which I use for private videos, private music. And then I have the Nikon Coolpix, which is the big one I use for a lot of YouTube videos. And this one I'm using now, which is the Coolpix A100, which I'm really liking very much. I use this one as a backup. So so I have 2 primary cameras to use on YouTube. The reason why I have 2 is that because you're vlogging with one camera, and someday you're going to run out of battery, or either run out of memory. What are you going to do? You've got no other camera. But if you had that other camera with you, you got that battery life, and you got that more of the memory, well, you can use that camera. So that's what I use. That's what I do. And you've got to have the second backup camera. Really do. Yeah, and good luck. Yeah, so good luck to all you guys, all you YouTubers. Go for it. Go as hard as you can. Yeah. I want you to succeed. What I noticed about YouTubers are the families. There's lots of families that I follow a lot, and they're just picking up hundreds and hundreds of subscribers all the time. And that's the thing. Get the whole family involved with videos. I know someone in the family maybe might want to stick to a private situation. Oh no, I don't want to be filmed. I don't like to be filmed. Someone like that, really. It just takes mother and father to film their children, their everyday life, and your videos will grow. Your channel will grow very quickly. Yeah, I know there's a lot of families out there who are really succeeding very well. So that's the thing. It's team. It's all team and effort. Yeah, team and effort. Everybody gets involved. Give every child or every member of the family a camera. They do a little vlog of themselves. Give it to the other two, her sister. Get her to vlog. Give it to the mother. She can vlog. Give it to the father. He'll do the vlogging. Yeah. Great. Yeah. And there's some really good YouTube channels out there who have families that I really adore watching. I really love watching them. And they're the ones are going to succeed very well. Yeah. Now, okay, now I'm going to finish this vlog. I know it's a bit short vlog today. Nothing much doing, except going on the bike. Yeah. So anyway, until tomorrow, which will be Tuesday, Create harmony. Peace. Bye. You never know what I get up to next. Sorry it's a short vlog. We'll see you tomorrow.